In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the process of setting up reminders in Gas Engineer software. There are 3 different types of reminders of our software: gas or oil service reminders, quote reminders, and invoice reminders. Let's start with service reminders. To start, you'll need to log into the web portal. Click the settings cog in the upper right corner next to your name. Next, click Manage under Service Reminders and Email Templates. Here, you'll find all of your email templates. For reminders, click on either Annual Gas Service Reminders or Oil Service Reminders. In this window, you can customize whether you would like Gas Engineer software to send out automatic service reminders or whether you'd prefer a copy for yourself and when they should be sent out. You can also completely customize the email subject and content, as well as add any attachments. Make use of the drag and drop tags on the right hand side to personalize the email for your customers. If you would like to turn off reminders for a specific customer, simply head to the Customers page, search for the customer, and switch this toggle off on the right hand side. Quote and invoice reminders function in a similar way. Unlike service reminders though, we are not set to send by default. Quotes can have up to 2 separate reminder emails, and invoices can have up to 3, meaning you won't have to manually chase up your payments. Simply click Edit, customize the timing and messaging as before, and hit Save.